charging my phone at the same time, but we gotta go to the store. And as you couldn't tell, it's storming out. It's hard to see on camera, but it is snowing. Yep. Pretty sure I'm like on the white line on your side, on the passenger side, but whatever.
Just hoping and praying that Amish people are not out.
Sure they are. There's the plow guy.
Well,
Why would you go in there, being in a corner? That makes no sense why you would go in there. And of course, now he's behind us instead.
almost ramming into us.
Yeah, because you can't see coming around when we're coming around the corner there. Instead of coming over the mountain when it comes, it's when we're coming around the corner.
What?
Because I'm going easy on the gas and the slickness of the road, it's got traction control. So if one of them starts to slip, then it does that. Traction control's always on.
Well, we can see if I will just turn around.
It'll. Just go a speed that you know that if anything, you're not going to damage or hurt anybody or anything. Okay, it's got a electric winch in the back, so able to pull ourselves out anyways. There was a lady at the store, yesterday? Or the day before. No, it was in Rockland, I think it was. I'm not sure. It was at a physical therapy. The lady talking about she got stuck at the end of her driveway going out to the main road.
Route 1.
On Route 1, which is...
Not Route 1.
Yeah, it was Route 1, because I was like, that's one of our greatest things. We got a electric winch, and it's set up to go on a thing that just goes right in our trailer hitch. So the only thing we have to do is just put it right in the trailer hitch, hook it up to the battery, and
We do have that in the truck.
yeah, always do. Just hook it up and put it in the ball hitch, and there you go. And if you need extra, then it's got an opening for a ball hitch to go into it. So we got a 3-way ball hitch with a hook on the bottom that can hold up to 10,000 pounds. So the electric winch is 3,500 pounds, but then I got a snatch block on it that makes it to 7,000 pounds. And then with it being 7,000 pounds, that makes it that I can go out to whatever, hook to it, come back to the Jeep, or go to something else or whatever, and be able to pull out ourselves and anything up to the size of our vehicle. Might be able to pull out larger vehicles if they're super light, but I don't want to try it, so I would rather just go up to the 7,000 pounds and call it good. To definitely make sure that had something that could pull at least ourselves out, possibly more. So I'm trying to stay in the lines of the tracks, so where it's already cleared. Stopping to get gas on the way?
I guess.
I'd rather on the way instead of trying to worry about it on the way back.
I am so...
No, wasn't going to go on that road. It's way worse on that road than the main road here.
I'm trying not to pay attention because I'm not really panic if I see anything. This type of stuff, I panic if we go sideways.
And there's the
Are you
Amish.
fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Don't step on, please.
And those people are coming right at the same time that you can't go around as easy.
It's coming around near us.
It's the slush in the middle
Yes, but they
that
just
pulls
need
you everywhere.
to stay home and orange up. I don't care.
Well, they should have been on the back road where we could have gone. They have better means of easier stopping than we do and everything. They have way easier means of going downhill, steep hills better than other people do in vehicles. Big bump.
Why is this person taking out
I don't know. That's the problem is everybody tries to be on this side of where the pump thing is, so and they haven't even started yet. I'm turning around apparently. Not sitting for them to.
She's just gonna run and just come down this way. And not back it. I know you're gonna back in.
Well, I got back in either way. rather go this way to get out to 17, like I was just telling Mandy, than trying to go out the other way where it's a hill right there that you can't see and all that. So
what happened to the things that I bought off of the other thing? You said you want to put it on the tire.
yeah, I got to put them in the back tires still because I got to take them off to put them on. I got to lift the Jeep up, take a tire off, put it on, or put them in on that one, and then I got to put it back on, and then I got to take the other one off and put it on.
Take it easy, baby.
Yeah. Slush is the hardest part. I know, Papa. Good boys. Massy roads. Sorry, but I'm not going all the way down 17 with that big hill either. I'm turning.
I wish there was a way we can go somewhere that's more closer to Hanover.
Yeah, the only thing there is Dollar General when they don't have anything made.
Cause we were done.
You wanna go up? No? You're looking out? I don't blame you, bud. Granted, there's some hills on this road, but you can go a slower speed down this road and not have to climb one or go down really big hills and climb really big hills. The hardest thing is the steering tires are all season, so and I don't like doing all seasons in the winter. I like doing more aggressively gripped tires in the winter. Back there is pretty much the biggest hill for this road, other than right over this little mound here. Goes downhill right here, but it's a slow downhill and it has plateaus halfway through, so it's a lot easier. worse, so a lot worse.
Yeah, especially going down south, you can't see 2 inches in front of the windshield.
That was with rain. It was just going like it was nothing because it was just rolling right off the windshield. Didn't even need my wipers on for most of it. Most of I gotta turn the wipers on for basically is when we stop. Somebody that came to the gas pumps behind us, they had Rubicon and was towing a trailer. Back to the more of a main road type of thing up here again.
I think there's some snow. Bit better on this road. Yeah, of course one. Now I will stick to the yellow line as possible.
Yeah, pretty well. The only other place is Huzzies if they're even open and they don't have a bakery area, they just have stuff to make your own.
Well, I was thinking about doing that instead of going all the way to Hanover. Don't step on the brake.
I'm not. I'm easing down the hill around the corner. Grandma's house we go. parts. The hills like this with corners are pretty well the worst because it's like they don't even plow them, it looks like.
Go through some sand.
Thing that I'd change about this Jeep if I could would be to make it manual 4-wheel drive, high and low. Be able to change it from 2-wheel to 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low and stuff like that. Instead of always being 4-wheel drive, I would rather be able to change it.
Why is it every time we go down to see a vehicle accident? At the same time.
I don't like how it's always 4-wheel drive type of thing. I'd rather be able to change it 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low, 2-wheel, stuff like that.
I don't know. It's in this section right here. Having an accident right there.
Like the Isuzu Rodeo used to be, you can change it to 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low. Just a little lever type of thing, or a little knob, or a bunch of the different ones that I had growing up was the having the lever type of thing. The shifter, just like the standard type of thing, shifter, but for 4-wheel drive. Those were nice to have. These ones, if the front drive shaft went in it, then you can't move it at all. It completely cripples it, type of thing. If the back one goes, same thing. Which means it's 4-wheel drive or no wheel drive. I'm pretty sure it's all within the transfer case for it, but
Oh, she's almost there.
almost there. course he would, because he was a wintertime pup. Sliding a little. Go, Bobs. We made it. Now to get what we need and get the out home. Super long, so he's gonna park next to the building.
The pod guy is right there, so. Yeah, the cloud over here yet.
Yeah, he did. Clean the tires off a little bit.
Time and place, and it's not right now.
Yeah, it is. Alright, we're here. On our way back home again. The roads are getting worse, of course. So. Even the parking lot's pretty rough, so if the parking lot's that rough, then the road's even rougher. Here we go. Got the microphone on this time, so hopefully the sound will be a bit better for everybody. My dad's birthday today, so I had to come out and get stuff. Got him a cake, ice cream. We at least always do that on birthdays. We try to at least do cake and ice cream and whatever the birthday person wants for supper type of thing. Probably because it was clear on the way to the store. So of course on the way back it's going to be covered. But it'll on my side, people.
Yeah, they want us to stop buying.
Yeah.
I thought we had to get home. It's Dad's birthday.
Would if it wasn't storming so bad and
There's Mike.
weren't as bad as they are, and it's starting to get dark. Definitely not mind stopping in for a few moments,
Oh, these
but
poor horses.
yeah, they got their blankets on.
I was.
They got their shelter and they got their blankets, so
Bathroom shelter.
yeah, it is. It's got opening for them to go in. They just choose not to. So people have been sliding around here already. Tracks from the other side coming to this side a little bit, so. super slow. Try to go as easy as I can down this hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the tire sensor. There was one Jeep, and there's another Jeep.
And you notice a lot of Jeeps are out right now? More,
Yeah.
There's more Jeeps than anything right now.
Jeeps and trucks. 'Cause it's better to drive in the snow up here. They're way more capable in the snow than anything else.
How do you know? Oh, you like
Or it might be just closing. Looked like somebody was messing around back there. It was tire tracks like they were sliding.
I'm trying to pay attention to my phone on your face right now because all this stuff is making me headache.
sideways a little. And it was a Jeep behind us too. Yeah. Turn the other heat on a little bit. I know, coasting and get up to 27 miles an hour. If I'm going 20 to 27 with just coasting. Probably from the Cape on the outside or something.
I love how he did
Person went to go put green on it and then they put red. So somebody's got a knocked over trash can back there. Stop. You can hear it slide a little.
You want me to call your parents? Well, guess what? I'm texting your parents.
Got this wonderful road to go. Then back to Route 17. This road, at least with weather like this, because you can go slower on it, less traffic on it, even though it's messier, but it's still less traffic, and you can go a little bit slower and easier type of thing. In this type of weather, it's this weather, the slower the better. We're almost home, Bud. He's laying down, chilling, like he normally does. Apparently they were out with the car. Good boy, Pops. We're just gonna stop at Dollar General.
Or
Candles, see if they had them. Be cheaper than back there, $5 a piece to $10 a piece there, and up here they'd be a couple dollars each.
it's
I know, but
4:12. We're not answering.
yeah, I was supposed to give him his antibiotics 12 minutes ago too, and I didn't this morning or now. So I got to figure out what to put it in.
Really, jamming that down.
I'm doing that with 3 of them, 3 times a day. There we are.
I got cake in my lap.
Yeah. Finally turned. Was only trying to get it to turn the whole time. us that are going super slow.
You're supposed to be in weather like this, you're supposed to be like a car length away.
Supposed to be at least a couple car lengths away either way. Not right on somebody's back end. Just the rumble strip. Clearing the slush off. Sharp corner, and it's going to get worse in the sharp corner. Would think this road would be nice and clear and they would be keeping on it really good, but things that it's all gonna freeze tonight.
My sister goes to they're getting snow tonight. And they're down south. Like way down.
Down in Mississippi. rumble strip.